You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
So here's what's going on with Kanye West, aka Ye, and it's pretty serious. One of his former staffers, a woman who's choosing to remain anonymous under the name Jane Doe, is now demanding Kanye pay nearly $100,000 in legal fees. Why? Because she had to fight off what the judge called a frivolous and defective attempt by Kanye to dismiss her harassment lawsuit. Now to back up a bit, this all started when Jane Doe filed a lawsuit earlier this year, claiming that her experience working at Yeezy in late 2023 into 2024 was, in her words, a calculated campaign of anti-Semitic and sexual harassment. She described the work environment as toxic and said she was verbally abused, discriminated against, and constantly degraded as a woman and as a Jewish person. According to her, Kanye sent her multiple harassing texts, including ones that read, "Welcome to the first day of working for Hitler," and "Hail Hitler." Yeah, actual texts. She also alleges that he sent her a nude photo of a woman and tried to force her to work on his Yeezy porn venture, even though she made it clear she didn't want to. When she reported the behavior to management, she says she was abruptly fired. Then, in April, Kanye tried to have the lawsuit tossed out, filing a motion that claimed his actions were part of his right to free artistic expression. His lawyers argued that Ye wasn't just an artist, he was art, and his public and private personas were all part of one big continuous performance piece. But the judge, Teresa M. Traber, wasn't buying it. In fact, she shut that argument down hard in late June. She said the motion was full of legal misstatements and baseless declarations, including from people like Milo Yiannopoulos, who claimed to be Yegi's chief of staff, but, according to the judge, didn't have any real knowledge of the situation. She called the filing frivolous and said it seemed like it was only meant to delay the legal process, not a real legal defense. That means Ye is now potentially responsible for covering the woman's legal fees, $99,720 to be exact. A hearing to finalize whether that amount is fair is set for September 12th, and it doesn't stop there. This lawsuit is just one of over a dozen Ye has been hit with in the past few years, ever since his infamous tweet in 2022, where he said he was going DEFCON 3 on Jewish people. That tweet set off a chain reaction. He lost major brand deals, got banned from social platforms, and faced widespread backlash. Even though he briefly apologized in a post written in Hebrew, his behavior didn't really change. He kept promoting anti-Semitic themes, including wearing shirts with controversial symbols, and releasing a song literally called Heil Hitler earlier this year, which even led to his visa to Australia being revoked. So, yeah, it's a lot. The legal system is now forcing Kanye to reckon with some of these actions, and this latest case might just be one more piece of a much bigger accountability puzzle. Stay subscribed for more videos.